teach you how to grill watermelon the easy way. We're gonna slice the watermelon in 1-inch thick triangles, just like that. We're gonna place them into a bowl and then cover them with olive oil, salt, and black pepper. And then we're gonna spread it around equally, just like that. We're gonna place the watermelon over high heat for about 3 minutes and then check on them. It's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip. As you can see, it's starting to get the darker color and grill marks. It's been another 3 minutes and it looks like it's getting soft, and it's also grilled on the other side, so we're ready to take it off. You can use balsamic vinegar, but I like to use pomegranate sauce, nor sharab. You can pick it up at a Persian store, and you just drizzle a little bit on your watermelon. And you can even use goat cheese or add arugula and make a salad out of it. I've never actually tried a grilled watermelon before. We're gonna do a taste test and I'm gonna tell you if I like it and what it tastes like. Oh wow, that's so interesting. It tastes so different. It's so smoky and it doesn't taste like watermelon at all. It's very spicy too. I'm guessing that's black pepper. And it's very sweet at the same time and juicy and warm. But I think it almost tastes like squash. Yeah, it tastes like squash for some reason. Maybe if I were to do kebabs, I would do a watermelon squash kebab. That could be cool.